early morning, coffee's on, and now it's time to make breakfast. What better than to make a pancake with a little zhuzh, a little panache, something a little more fun. I'm making carrot cake pancakes with a maple cream cheese glaze. These are carrot cakes you made on top of the stove. So perfectly delicious, not so sweet, and then you add the maple cream cheese glaze and it's the perfect finish to a perfect pancake. Make these so good. Kitchenette, a little kitchen with a lot of flavor.